Recording Sir, Bhaskar sir. Hello. Subrajit, Shreya, Srinidhi, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, what happened? Little late today?
Yes, sir.
Physics class? Guys, shall we start? Yesterday we are discussing one topic. Anyone can repeat what we are discussing yesterday? Guys, anyone? Vaishnavi, Subrajit? May I know what we are discussing yesterday? I gave 2 questions. Anyone solve these 2 questions? Shall we discuss these 2 questions? How to do this one? Guys, please respond. Got the answer for these 2 questions, guys? Students, please, there. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Anthony, Arshida, guys, please respond. Kirtana, Raghav. Is everyone got this question? Shall I move to the compound angles? Next topic.
Sir, could you solve these 2 questions, sir?
Yeah. So first, take each and every angle separately. That's it. Maximum using that only you can take it. First one is sine 120. How to write sine 120? I am writing sine 120 is sine 180 minus 60. Second quadrant, sine is positive. Supplementary angle, sine will become a sine 60. The answer is root 3 by 2. Cos 150. Cos 150 I am writing as cos of 180 minus 30. Cos of 180 minus 30. This is minus cos 30. This is how much? Minus root 3 by 2. I am writing cos 240. Cos 240 I am writing as cos 180 plus 60. This is minus cos 60. This is also minus 1 by 2. Sin 330. Sin 330 can be written as sine of 360 minus 30. Fourth quadrant, sine is negative. Supplementary angle, sine will become as sine 30. That is also minus 1 by 2. Is it clear how I got all these 4 values? Anyone having any doubt? Guys? So if I am substituting all these values, what we will get? If I am substituting all these values in the given expression, LHS, there is no LHS RHS, but I'm substituting in given expression root 3 by 2 into minus root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. This is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. This will be
minus
minus 3 by 4, minus 1 by 4, minus 4 by 4. The answer is minus 1. This is the one way we can solve this question. Is it clear, guys? Have I got this question?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Yeah. The next one is a sin square theta plus b cos square theta is equal to c. They are asking find the tan square theta without any trigonometric ratio. It's very simple. Convert everything into tans and secants. The clue is convert everything into tans and secants because there is a direct relation between tans and secants. That is only the option we are having. So I'm taking the given expression a sin square theta plus b cos square theta is equal to c. Divide both sides with cos square theta. What I will get if I'm dividing both sides with cos square theta? Guys, please give me the expression what I will get if I'm dividing both sides with cos square theta.
A tan square theta plus b.
A tan square theta plus b is equal to c secant square theta. Will you agree, everyone?
Sir, you left cos square theta.
Why? Cos square theta by cos square theta will be cancelled now. A sin square theta by cos square theta plus b cos square theta by cos square theta is equal to c divided by cos square theta. So this will cancel. So that will be a tan square theta plus b is equal to c secant square theta. Is it clear how it is?
Okay.
Now this can be written as a tan square theta plus b is equal to c into 1 plus tan square theta. So my total expression is a tan square theta plus b is equal to c plus c tan square theta. So I'm taking all tan squares one side. So a minus c tan square theta is equal to c minus b. From here, what is the value of tan square theta? C minus b by a minus c. This is the final expression what we want. Is it clear, guys? What is the role of the quadratic equation is here? If you are getting tan theta, then you have to choose tan theta is equal to k and frame the quadratic equation and solve. Is it clear, guys, what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, shall I move to the next topic? Anyone having any questions related to this topic? Shall I move to the next topic? Compound angles. There are 3 topics left. Total 4 topics left in this chapter. All are huge topics. There is no limit. You can explore and you can bring the questions from anywhere. First one is compound angles. Multiple and submultiple angles. Transformations. Transformations. After transformations, trigonometric equations. Trigonometric equations. This is a little important from physics point of view. It's another name in few books you can see. Instead of trigonometric equation, they will pronounce like this. They will be named as like this: periodicity, variation, and graphs. Variation and graphs. These are the 4 topics left. Let's see how much you can able to do today. Yeah. First one is compound angles. I already told you, if anybody want proof, we can discuss separately, but as of now, I am just moving without the proof. Like your identity equation, how you are considering your identity equation is the standard equation, like that I am considering. These 2 expressions are as a standard expression. Sine of a plus b. Expand. Compound angle means sum of the two angles of sine ratio, how it can expand into individual angles. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. If I want to write sine of A minus B, wherever I am having B, put minus B. We know cos of minus x is equal to plus cos x because of even function, and another way of also I explained. Sine of minus x is equal to minus sin x. I think this two principle will be useful to write this. Instead of B, if I am putting minus B, I will get sin A cos of minus B is cos B minus cos A sin of minus B is minus sin B, minus into plus is minus. So, the same manner, if I am using cos of A plus B, this will give cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And cos of A minus B will be equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. These are the four standard equations which you can write. Sum of the two angles. These angles are called compound angles. How to write sine of sum of two angles will be equal to trigonometric ratios of its individual angles. Next one is tan of A plus B. This is simple. You take sin A plus B by cos A plus B and expand, convert everything into tan. You will get an equation like this: tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. We know tan x is also an even odd function. Tan of minus x is minus tan x. From here, tan of A minus B can be written as tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. From here, anyone can able to calculate cot of A plus B, guys, in terms of cots. Using these relations, anyone can calculate cot of A plus B. How to calculate cot of A plus B? You have to take tan of A plus B and reciprocate everything. Got it what I'm saying? This is 1 by tan of A plus B. That is nothing but 1 minus tan A tan B by tan A plus B, tan A plus tan B, and everything if you are converting into cots, if you are doing everything converting into cots, 1 minus 1 by cot A into 1 by cot B divided by 1 by cot A plus 1 by cot B. So finally, we'll get an expression of cot of A plus B after all cancellations. Cot of A plus B is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot B plus cot A. Is it clear, guys, what I'm writing? Students, please.
Yes, sir.
Same way, if I want to write cot of A minus B, if I want to write cot of A minus B, cot of A minus B can be written as cot A cot B plus 1 divided by cot B minus cot A. You just replace in place of B minus B. In place of B minus B, you will get the answer. Is it clear? Now, these are the standard formulae. Just, I don't want to ask you to remember more than this. Based on this, what are the applications we can see? Based on this, what are the applications we can see? With the help of all these things, what is the simplified formula of sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B? Guys, anyone can do. Simplify or prove that sine of A plus B. This you can consider as a standard formula, but it is actually derived from your previous things. Sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B is equal to sine square A minus sine square B
Yes, sir.
Or I can write this is as cos square b minus cos square a. How to do this question, guys? What is sine of a plus b? What is sine of a plus b?
Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
A cos b plus cos a sin b into sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Am I right? So it is looking like a plus b into a minus b. Am I right? If I am considering this is x, this is y, and this is x, this is y, this is looking like x plus y into x minus y. So I can write as x square minus y square. So sin square a cos square b minus cos square a sin square b. If I want everything into sines, this can be written as sin square a into 1 minus sin square b minus 1 minus sin square a into sin square b. What you will get, guys? What you will get here?
Sin square A into cos square B. Okay.
A minus sin square a sin square b minus 1 into sin square b, minus of minus is plus sin square a sin square b. So this whole thing is cancelled. Finally, I am getting sin square a minus sin square b. If I want everything into cos, continuation of this is 1 minus sin square, 1 minus cos square a minus 1 minus cos square b. 1 cancel, it will remain cos square b minus cos square a. Is it clear, guys? Pure algebra. If you are a little strong hold on algebra, it is nothing. Only the thing is you have to link up with instead of x and y, instead of numbers, you have to link with the ratios. That's only the thing here. Is it clear? Guys, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Same as one more application of this compound angle formulas we can see. What is the value of cos of a plus b? Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Same way. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b into cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. If I am just see why I am explaining this is especially this kind of strategies will be useful to solve the numerical based on these questions. That's the reason I am explaining these things. So cos a cos b, this is also looking like x minus y,
Sir, isn't it minus in between?
x plus y. Where, man? This is only now. This is into.
Sir, you wrote
What? Please. Product of cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b. That is what I am taking as the input. Guys, what I am saying? What is the doubt? Anyone, please? Any confusion, guys?
no, sir.
This is cos square a into cos square b minus sin square a into sin square b. So if I want everything into cos square a into cos square b minus 1 minus cos square a into 1 minus cos square b. This will be cos square a cos square b minus 1 into 1 is 1 minus cos square b minus cos square a, sorry, minus into minus plus, minus cos square a plus cos square a into cos square b. So what you are getting finally? Strange thing we are getting. Weird answer.
Sir, cos square A plus cos square B minus 1.
Minus 1 minus cos square B 1 into 1 1 into cos square B cos square A minus plus cos square A plus cos square A plus cos square A cos square B.
Sir,
Yes, please. Please.
sir, it should be plus cos square B, right?
Plus
Plus cos square B, right?
cos square B is no, after multiplying with minus. Got it? What I'm saying?
Minus cos square B, right?
Minus into 1 is minus 1. Minus into cos square B. Cos square B is minus. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I'm thinking where we done the mistake. Yeah. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into minus cos square B is minus cos square B. Minus cos square A into is minus cos square A. Minus into minus plus. Correct? Am I right? Yeah. Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. This is also minus into minus is plus. This whole thing is coming as minus. So how we will eliminate 1 here? How we will eliminate 1 here? Is it right, guys? Expression? Anything wrong in this? I want everything in cos. This one and this one will cancel. Finally, I am getting cos square A plus cos square B minus 1. How I can eliminate 1? How I can eliminate 1? Guys, how I can eliminate 1?
Sir, 1 can be written as cos square A plus
Cos square A plus? Yes, please.
Sin square A.
Cos square A plus sin square A can write?
sir,
Yeah.
cos square A plus root over 1 minus cos square A.
Yes, yes. 1 you can written as sin square A plus cos square A, or 1 you can written as sin square B plus cos square B. Let's see each and every expression what kind of form it will give. If I am using the first expression, what I will get? If I am using the first expression, what I will get? If 1 is equal to, if I am replacing with sin square A plus cos square A, what I will get? This will be cos square A plus cos square B minus sin square A minus cos square B. Cos square A. This one cancel. The final expression is cos square B minus sin square A. This is one form. If I am using this here, what I will get here? If 1 is equal to sin square B plus cos square B. What I will get? If I am using that one, cos square
Sir,
A
cos square A minus sin square A.
equal minus sin square A minus cos square B. So cos square B cancel. Cos square A minus sin square B. This is the different forms of the product of cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Is it clear, guys? These forms you can take it as a standard formulas if you are able to remember, but it was not so easy to remember. Like many use formulas will come. Always go with a little bit conceptual. So next one is, we know tan of A plus B. I am taking A plus or minus B. If it is plus, plus. If it is minus, minus. Tan A plus or minus tan B divided by 1 minus r plus tan A tan B. With the help of this, if your A is equal to pi by 4, B is equal to theta. So I can write as the given expression tan pi by 4 plus theta. This is tan pi by 4 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan theta. This will be 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. So tan pi by 4 plus theta can be written as 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. If I'm converting everything into sine and cos, sine theta plus cos theta divided by sine theta minus cos theta. This is one of the important expression to reduce the trigonometric equations in so many places. This formula will be useful in so many places. How I can reduce this whole expression into a single ratio. This is a use. If you want to come back in so many numericals, they will give this expression. You want to come back like this. You want to write into a single ratio. Is it clear?
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Please.
it should be sine theta plus cos theta upon cos theta minus sine theta.
Sine theta plus cos theta upon, yeah, then okay. Cos theta plus sine theta. Yes, please. Thanks, man. Yes, after taking LCM, you will get cos theta plus sine theta divided by cos theta minus sine theta divided by cos theta. So this is the final expression. If I'm writing tan pi by 4 minus theta, same. Tan pi by 4 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan theta. This will be 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. This is nothing but cos theta minus sine theta divided by cos theta plus sine theta. From here we can write one thing. Tan pi by 4 plus theta is reciprocal of tan pi by 4 minus theta. Will you accept? These both are reciprocals to each other. Will you agree with me? Yes or no? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Because 1 plus tan theta if I am taking capital A, 1 minus tan theta if I am taking capital B, this is coming B by A. Just reciprocal of this first expression is only the second expression. So we can consider as a reciprocals. Next one is actually out of the box, but in some people might be it will be useful. If you don't want, I will skip these things. If I am compound angles is 3 angles. The compound angles is 3 angles. Sine of A plus B plus C. Cos of A plus B plus C. Anybody knows? Any idea how to do? Guys? Sine of A plus B plus C. Cos of A plus B plus C. If I am giving 4 angles, how to write? If I am giving 5 angles, how to write? If I am giving 6 angles, sine of A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus and so on.
Sir, we can consider A plus B as X and C as Y.
Yeah. That is a general for 3 angles or 4 angles you can do like this. But there is a pattern. It will comes under series and sequences. There is a pattern. If sine of A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus and so on, AN, how to write? First, let me explain. Summation of sine A cos B cos C. That means first you have to write sine A cos B cos C, cos A sin B cos C, cos A cos B sin C. That sum you have to take. Repetition, cyclic. Sine, first expression sine will come for A, second expression sine will come for B, third expression sine will come for C. Minus sine A, sine B, sine C. Why I am using this symbol here? cyclic symbol. This is not a summation along with cycle symbol. If I am expanding, I will get my answer like this. Sin A cos B cos C plus cos A sin B cos C plus cos A cos B sin C minus sin A sin B sin C. This whole expression is replacing with a single symbol is called sigma. Summation of three cyclic angles. When I am writing the cos A plus B plus C, same what he said, take this is x and this is y and expand again cos of A plus B sin of A plus B, expand and do the calculation.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the first one, is it sin A or cos?
This one?
Yes, sir.
This is sin A. Why? What is the doubt?
No, sir, it's sin A. Okay.
It's a sin A. Sin A cos B cos C. Summation means 3 times you have to do because 3 angles. First sin A plus next time sin B plus next time sin C. Rest of all the things are causes. If it is coming cos of A plus B plus C, cos A cos B cos C minus summation of sin A sin B cos C. That means sin A sin B cos C, sin A cos C sin B cos A sin B sin C. That sum is this expression. Is it clear, guys, what I'm saying? It's a cyclic sum. ABC will do cyclically. Or repeat the ABC value. Next year B, next year C, next year A. And next year C, next it is here A, next it is here B. ABC, BCA, ABC. The sum of these 3 equations only replacing with single expression. This is called writing the summation of cyclic expressions. Might be it won't be useful for your board level, but might be it will be useful in MCQs. Definitely I can say in MCQs these expressions will be useful as a shortcuts. Is it clear, guys? Shall I move to the tan of A plus B plus C? Or too much confusing? Shall I move the tan values? Tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C. Divided by 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan C tan A. This is how we can discuss the summation of 3. Here also same. You can take A plus B is equal to X and C is equal to Y. Expand again, expand A plus B. Clear, guys? Last one before going to the numericals based on this.
Sir, this can be written as summation tan A minus phi tan B.
Minus summation tan A tan B. You can write like this: tan A tan B tan C tan A. Repetition, cyclic. This is also fine. This whole thing can be replaced with this expression.
Yes, sir.
Cot of A plus B plus C. Cot of A plus B plus C also can be written as in the same manner, reciprocal of all the things. Cot A plus cot B plus cot C minus cot A, cot B, cot C divided by 1 minus summation of cot A, cot B. 1 minus summation of cot A, cot B. This is how we can discuss the cot values. Yeah. So what is its use? Where we can use these things? Now we are going to the applications of these things. There are the situations where we have to calculate the summation of some unknown standard angles. Suppose if I want to calculate the value of 15 degrees, if I want to calculate the value of 22.5 degrees, if I want to calculate the value of 67.5 degrees, and if I want to calculate the value of 75 degrees, how to do? How to calculate these values? Right?
Sir, 15 and 7 are complementary angles.
So 15 can be written as, we know the standard angles is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, correct? 15 degrees can be written as 45 minus 30. 75 can be written as 45 plus 30. From here, we can able to calculate sine 15, cos 15, tan 15. How to calculate the sine 15? Sine 15 can be calculated as sine of 45 minus 30. It is looking like sine of A minus B only. So what I will get? Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So from here, 1 by root 2, cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. This is root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. The answer is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is a sine of A minus B. That is sine 15. If I know the sine 15, using different methods, you can able to calculate the cos 15. Its complementary is cos 75. So this is exactly equal to cos 75. Without calculating, I can calculate cos 75. Am I right, guys?
Yes, sir.
So the same way, if I am calculating the cos 15, same method I can use to calculate the cos 15. Cos 15 is how much? Cos 45 minus 30. This will be cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. How much you are getting here? Here also I am getting root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. How far it is correct?
Correct, sir. Root 3 by 2 root 2.
Sin 15 is also same now.
You wrote the formula wrong, I guess. It should be plus.
Correct. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Using the complementary angles, this will be equal to sin 75 also. Because sin 75 cos 15 are equal. Sin 15 and cos 75 are equal. So with the help of this, how to calculate tan 15 and tan 75? Tan 15 is nothing but sin 15 divided by cos 15. So sin 15 is how much? Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Correct? 2 root 2, 2 root 2 cancel. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 is tan 15. So if I am rationalizing, root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1. So this will be root 3 minus 1 whole square. This is 3 minus 1. What is the expansion of root 3 minus 1? 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by 2. This is 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. The simplest form of tan 15 is 2 minus root 3, which is equal to 1 by cot 15. Like this, if you are able to link up, it will be easy to calculate any values within a minutes, within a seconds, instead of remembering these values. If I know the tan 15, according to this, the complementary of tan 15 is cot 75. So it will be easy. If you know the cot 75, the reciprocal of that is tan 75. So single value, how I can able to calculate all the remaining values. Is it clear, guys? How to calculate, where these applications will be useful for us?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So with the help of this, how I can calculate the tan 22 and of sin 22 and of, guys? How to calculate the sin 22 and of? With the help of these things. How to calculate the sine 22 and half? Any idea? Guys, please respond.
So this is like dividing 45 by 2.
45 by 2. How it will be applicable here? 45 by 2. Is there any formula which will reverse 45 by 2 here? I'm not talking about transformation angles, and I'm not talking about, I'm just talking about compound angles. Still, we are in the compound angles. Any method? Guys, please respond. Anyone? Yeah, I will give the clue. Can you try? I want the value of, I will give the clue. It's a pure basic mathematics, general calculations. Even this compound angles also doesn't require for us. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, guys. It's better. I will introduce this concept after multiple and submultiple angles. Then I won't get confused. You won't get any confused. Instead of taking cos A, if I'm taking cos 2A, like that I have to explain. But again, if I'm explaining the compound multiple and submultiple angles, this slight confusion will come. There I will explain how to calculate the 22.5 and 67.5 standard angles as a standard angles. Yeah. So some more applications we will see using these compound angles. Some more applications we can see using these standard angles. So if I'm asking you to calculate what is the value of sine 15 plus cos 15, what is the answer? Guys, sine 15 plus cos 15.
So this is root 3 by 2.
How? If you are unable to remember how to solve the sine 15, how we will do this one?
Sir, sine 15 is actually conjugate of cos 15.
Hmm?
Sine 15 is actually conjugate of cos 15. Let's see the sine is different.
15 and cos 15 is of root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That is what you are trying to say.
Yes, sir.
So this answer is summation of this one is 2 root 3 by 2 root 2. But I am getting root of 3 by 2, but not root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. The answer is root of 3 by 2. Suppose if you are unable to remember this formula, how to do? Their transformation concept is useful for us. Sine 15 can be written as sine of 45 minus 15. Cos 15 can be written as cos of 45 minus 15. No other options. This is sine A, sine of A minus B, cos of A minus B. Substitute and you have to. This will be little bit easy if I am asking you. Yeah. No other options. If you are able to remember, straight away you can substitute. Otherwise, you have to expand and you have to substitute. Yeah. From here, anyone can discuss what is the value of sine 105 degrees. Calculate sine 105 degrees. How much? What is the sine 105 degrees?
So you can write it as sine 90 plus.
Sine 90 plus 15.
Sine 90 is 1, sir.
So plus second quadrant sine is positive. 90 becomes cos 15. This is equal to cos 15. Cos 15 is how much? Root 3 plus 1 by 2. This is how we can solve. Same using quadrants concept, you have to do it. Yeah. Now, one more question. tan alpha is equals m by m plus 1. Tan beta is equals 1 by 2m plus 1. Find tan of alpha plus beta. Anyone can solve this one? Or prove that tan of alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Anyone can try this question? Guys? Anyone can try this question? Students, please able to hear what I'm asking?
Yes,
How to
sir.
do this question? Just expansion. Tan alpha
We
plus
substitute the formula.
m by
Value
plus 1 by 2m plus 1 divided by 1 minus m by m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. So LCM is m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. So m into 2m plus 1 plus 1 into m plus 1 divided by m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 minus m divided by m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. So cancels. So what is the remaining? 2m square plus m plus 1 divided by, if I am multiplying, 2m square plus m plus 2m plus 1 minus m. M cancel. So here also I am getting 2m square plus 2m plus 1. The denominator is also 2m square plus 2m plus 1. This is how mostly we are going to do the proofs. They won't ask you find out the value of this thing, find out the value of that thing. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Find the value of cos theta plus cos theta minus cos of 60 plus theta minus cos of 60 minus theta. How much? This is looking like cos A plus B, cos A minus B. What is the cos A plus B? This will comes under transformation angles, but here I am just giving the introduction. What is the help of the transformation angle? Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. What is the use of cos A minus B? This will be equal to cos A, cos B. Sorry, expansion of cos A minus B, sin A, sin B. If I am adding both the things, I will get cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So these two things will cancel. This is remaining 2 cos A cos B. So if we expand or if we are able to remember, we will get the same answer. So cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B is 2 cos A cos B. So cos theta minus 2 cos 60. If I am taking minus, this will become plus 2 cos 60 and cos theta. So cos theta minus 2 into 1 by 2 into cos theta.
0.
2 cancel, the answer is 0. Super. Like this, we are having some standard expressions which will be useful for your entrances. If you are able to calculate, you can find out the proof as the homework. I will write all those expressions as the standard expressions. You have to use these standard expressions only for 1 marks or MCQs or fill in the blanks. You should not use for any descriptive questions. So I can't promise you, if you are using for descriptive questions, you may get the full marks. And don't blame me, my sir gave this as a standard formula. This is a standard formula only for MCQs and fill in the blanks. The first one is cos theta minus of cos of 60 plus theta minus of cos of 60 minus theta is equal to 0. Again, in place of 60, even if I am writing now, cos theta plus cos 120 plus theta plus cos 120 minus theta also 0. Third one, cos theta plus cos of 240 plus theta plus cos of 240 minus theta. This is also 0. With respect to sines, 3 more formulas. Sin theta minus sin of 60 minus 60 plus theta plus sin of 60 minus theta. This is also same. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. If you are using as a standard equation, then you get the answer. So same as sin theta plus sin 120 plus theta minus sin 120 minus theta. This is also 0. The last one is sin theta plus sin 240 plus theta minus sin 240 minus theta is equal to 0. These are the expression you can use as the standard equations. For board point of view, it may be proof. For entrance point of view, all these things we can take it as a standard formulas. Is it clear, guys, what I'm trying to say? We proved only the first one. With the help of summation of cos A plus B, cos A minus B, subtraction of cos A plus B, cos A minus B, we can able to prove all these things easily. Expand using cos A plus B, cos A minus B. Using the compound angles, expand and you can able to prove. If you are able to remember all these things, it will be easy in MCQs. Is it clear, guys? Related to the compound angles, how much extent level we can go?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So one more small part is remaining with respect to tans and cots. Tomorrow we are going to discuss tans and cots and we will wind up the compound angles. In next class might be one more session I am planning. In next session we are going to complete transformation angles and multiple and submultiple angles. Multiple and submultiple angles means sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, various forms. Sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta. Transformation means sin C plus sin D and its applications. That is the end of the basic trigonometry of grade 11. After that, we are having trigonometric equation. How to solve the trigonometric equations, like your quadratic equations, like your simultaneous equation. If the equations are in the form of trigonometric ratios, how to solve it? Those things we can see in next class. Shall I wind up the session, guys? Anyone having any doubts?
Sir, tomorrow do we have any compensation class?
No, I don't think so. Tomorrow might be it will happen on Friday or Saturday, because tomorrow it's not possible for me. I think you people are having some other sessions on tomorrow, biology or I don't know. Thursday it said it's not possible. Anyway, if you people are comfortable, I will discuss with the Raghava sir and I will finalize. Guys, you have to tell. If it is okay, I will discuss with Raghava sir tonight itself. If it is tomorrow is okay, or even we can have on Friday evening, which is fine. Yeah. So
But tomorrow it's fine.
I will try to keep it on tomorrow. Okay, Raghav.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll meet on next class. But please try to explore based on compound angles till what level we can discuss. If you have any questions, come with the questions. After discussing a few basic questions, 1 or 2 sessions completely we will sit on numericals. Yeah. Bye everyone. We'll meet in next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.